Hello people, today this video is perhaps mostly for the guys because this little piece of shaving equipment caught my eye in the shop. So maybe some of you are also wondering what's inside and if it's worth it to actually purchase it. I think the current price is around 15 euros. It depends from in which state you are buying it. So let's have a look inside. Right, so it's quite nice razor. To be fair, I already play with it, so I know what to expect. But I was surprised that the opening system is just a simple bolt action. So this is how you dismantle it. So three pieces at the end, and now you have some spare razors inside. Sorry, not really expert since I was not using them in the past, so I suggest like this, like that. And then you're ready to go. To be fair, I was surprised. It's shaving quite nicely on the faces, but the trouble is on the cheek, where I receive quite a lot of cuts, and I think it needs a bit of a skillful or a bit of a skill to get, as it's really much more comfortable to shave with the new razors, particularly on the chin. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoy it, and perhaps it could save you a couple of bucks if you are willing or if you want to purchase this one. Have a nice day and see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button if you liked our videos. And yeah, see you.